Sustainable nutrition, how to make healthier choices. In today's world, environmental awareness is more crucial than ever. As individuals, we strive to live in harmony with the planet and make choices that benefit both our health and the environment. One essential aspect of sustainable living is nutrition. Making healthier choices can have a significant impact on our well-being and the planet. In this article, we'll explore the world of sustainable nutrition and provide you with practical tips on how to make healthier choices with the help of Grüns, gummies. Understanding sustainable nutrition. Sustainable nutrition is about making conscious food choices that benefit our health, the environment, and the food production process. It's not just about eating organic or locally sourced foods, although those are excellent choices. Sustainable nutrition is about adopting a balanced diet that minimizes waste, reduces carbon footprint, and promotes healthy eating habits. Want in? Try Grüns VIP today. The link is in the description.